Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best windshield washer fluids in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best windshield washer fluids that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Sanco Industries Aqua Windshield Washer Fluid. The ultra-concentrate solution from Sanco Industries comes in a single bottle that can make 55 gallons of premium cleaning liquid. The product is made with proprietary ingredients that remove any bug residue, road dirt and grime, bird droppings, and even tree sap from your windshield. AquaCharge is all about consistent quality and works well, delivering a streak-free result. This windscreen cleaning agent is ideal for summer, but you can use it in winter by adding 13 gallons of methanol to its 55 gallons at the -20°F freezing point. Lastly, this product will freeze at 32°F. Moving on at number 4, we have the Dokiko Tablet Windshield Washer Fluid. If you are looking for a top windshield washer fluid that is all about convenience and offers no hassle for usage, then washing fluid tablets by Dokiko are all you need. The product comes in a pack of 50 pieces with each tablet packed individually. This product is small and highly portable. The best thing about this product is that one washer tablet is equivalent to 1 gallon of washing liquid. All you need to do is dissolve the tablet in water. It will not precipitate or forms impurities. It is ideal for all seasons and can be mixed with an anti-freezing agent in winter. The product works efficiently to clean the windshield of any dirt, dust, and debris, reduce friction between the wiper and screen, and keep the screen clean and tidy. Lastly, this product cannot prevent your water tank from freezing. It requires a temperature higher than -5°C. At number 3, we have the Prestone De-Icer fluid with -27°F deep freeze protection. Prestone offers an all-season windshield washer, but this De-Icer pack is ideal for buyers who live in cold weather conditions. It is the best cold weather windshield washer fluid. The product works impressively well in improving winter driving visibility. It melts ice and frost quickly, down to -27°F. Prestone's advanced formula is streak and glare-free. Its -33°C deep freeze protection helps empower cleaning winter salt and grime. In addition, it is safe for rain-sensing windshield wipers. Furthermore, it prevents refreezing and ensures better visibility and safety. At number 2, we have the HS Bug Repellent Windshield Washer Fluid. The windshield washer by HS is formulated with advanced technology that offers streak-free cleaning power. It is an exclusive bug washer. It instantly removes bugs and road grime and ensures the cleanliness and visibility of your windshield. The product is specially formulated as a summer windscreen washer to keep it clean from any kind of dirt, dust, debris, and grime. The special detergents easily break down the deposits, making them easy to wipe off. Lastly, you get a 1-gallon bottle at a reasonable price that does not require dilution for usage. And finally, at number 1, we have the Prestone All-Season Pre-Diluted Cleaning Agent. Prestone AS658P is an all-season 3-in-1 cleaning fluid that is specially made to keep your windscreen clean all year long. The product protects your glass against freezing in cold weather conditions and melts away light ice and frost. There is also a bug repellent property that works on the toughest residues, breaking them down and effortlessly removing bugs from your windshield. In addition, the product also features no streak and glare properties, and is water repellent due to its advanced beading technology. This product is ideal for every weather scenario but is the most helpful in snow or ice. Remember, it is a pre-mixed fluid, meaning no need for diluting. Use it straight out of the bottle. The only drawback is that this product is pricey compared to the concentrated solutions that last longer due to dilution.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.